What's up?
What?
What are you doing?
Taking out trash.
What is this? You having a party fun?
Yeah. Why don't you shut up?
Uh-oh.
Hold on. What'd you say?
Asked you to pick up the trash so I can cut my grass. Damn. Damn. Bitch. Damn. Fucking lawnmower.
Here, hold the camera.
Fuck. Oh, you think you master mechanic? You're right.
Hold it strong enough. You're not saying this thing. Problem. Watch. Boom.
Damn, shoulder. Keep talking, Mr. Big. Ah! Damn, shoulder. Gotcha, huh? Good. Nah, motherfucker's out of gas. Son of a goddamn.
Nothing?
Boom. Bone strike. Son of a bitch.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
It don't take much to cut my grass. Boom. Okay. I thought I told you to pick up the yard.
What?
I thought I told you to pick up the yard.
What?
God damn it! Get out of here! The goddamn water's on the water!
Whoa!
Ain't nobody gonna cut this motherfucker.
Oh, don't. No, I'm not letting you do that.
I'm gonna back the fuck off.
I'm not letting you do this. Right. Oh.
That felt good. That felt fucking good. That felt fucking good. Good. Now nobody's cutting the grass.
Yeah, now literally nobody's cutting your grass.
That felt good. That felt fucking good. I want to fix it. Now I'm done. Where's my goddamn wire?
You cut.
I gotta fix the goddamn thing, man. You fix the goddamn thing.
You're trying to fix it now?
What the fuck happened here? God damn it!
Right.
Goddamn. I'll hit you with something if you don't get out of my goddamn way.
You good?
Get out of here! Fuck ass.